Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Your phone has the Steam app and camera access enabled, and your PC is online. Once ready, open the Steam client on your computer and click Login. You'll see the QR code option. Choose Scan QR code immediately. On your phone, open the Steam app and tap the QR scanner in the top right or the Login section. Make sure your phone's camera is steady. Align the code inside the frame so the app can read it fast. Once your phone camera sees the code, the app decodes a temporary token. You'll see the account name before finalizing. Check that the account shown matches the one you want on the PC. This prevents accidental logins. After you verify, tap Authorize or Confirm on the phone. Steam then exchanges the token with the client and creates a secure session. If asked, enter your Steam Guard code or approve any two-factor prompt. Wait a few seconds. After authorization, the PC logs you into Steam. Make sure to accept any update or permission prompts to finish. If the screen does not change, try rescanning, regenerate the QR on your PC and reposition the phone. Once done, you can enable Remember This device for faster future logins. If scanning repeatedly fails, make sure your phone clock is accurate, restart the Steam app, and verify Steam Guard is active. As a last resort, use the manual one-time code option shown on the PC to enter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.